At 30 years old, Warren Buffett gave himself an ultimatum. Either he makes his first $1 million or he jumps off the tallest building in Omaha. Today, his net worth is measured in tens of billions. So how did an ordinary kid with no internet, no startups, and no crypto win that bet with himself? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Making money before investing. Buffett didn't start with stocks. He started with cash flow. At just 6 years old, he bought a six-pack of Coca-Cola for 25 cents and sold each bottle for 5. That's a 20% profit before elementary school. Then came newspapers, golf balls, and even pinball machines in barbershops. While other kids spent their money, Buffett did one thing: he reinvested everything. By the time he finished college, he had about $10,000. In today's money, that's nearly $100,000. Most people learn how to spend. Buffett learned how to multiply. Step 2. Buying a dollar for 50 cents. In college, Buffett met the man who gave him a formula, Benjamin Graham. Graham didn't teach him to chase great companies. He taught him to buy cheap ones. Buffett invested in what Graham called cigar butt companies, businesses the market had already given up on, but whose assets were worth more than the company's entire stock price. It wasn't exciting, it wasn't trendy, but it worked. As Buffett later said, "I was buying a dollar for 50 cents. Step 3. Other people's money, the accelerator. In 1956, Buffett made his most important move. He launched his investment partnership. He raised about $105,000 from friends and family and invested just $100 of his own. The rules were strict. If returns were below 6%, he earned nothing. Above that, he took 25% of the profits. If he failed, he wouldn't just lose money, he'd lose the trust of everyone close to him. But he didn't fail. His returns crushed the market. By 1962, Buffett's capital passed $1 million. He was only 32 years old. That million didn't come from speculation. It didn't come from luck. It came from discipline, compound interest, and the patience to act while others panicked. Buffett's first million was built on boring decisions repeated for years. That's exactly why most people never make one. Want to know which stock Buffett bought at age 11 and why he later regretted it? Write it in the comments.